Hi there, and welcome to lesson number 2 of the Journey to Your Authentic Self online course. Know yourself. It's impossible to live authentically without first discovering who you are. Self-awareness is crucial. This first module will help you discover yourself. What is self-awareness? The dictionary defines self-awareness as knowledge and awareness of your own personality or character. When you're self-aware, you have an accurate and clear understanding of your personality, strengths, weaknesses, and beliefs. You know what makes you tick. Self-awareness also includes an understanding of how others perceive you. Lacking self-awareness can lead to a very confusing and frustrating life. Your level of self-awareness can influence your relationships, your career, and your happiness. You see, self-awareness is necessary for taking control of your life. The direction of your life is determined by your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and reactions. Self-awareness is the principal way of understanding and influencing these things because it highlights faulty beliefs and emotional reactions that stand in your way and gives you the power to make adjustments. Also, self-awareness illuminates the real reasons for past failures and challenges. We often dismiss our failures as bad luck or a lack of proper timing. But it's also possible that we failed to perceive the situation, others or ourselves accurately. It's much easier to see the reason behind relationship, work, and other struggles when we can look at ourselves clearly. Do you consistently struggle at work or in your relationships? What can you do better? Those who lack self-awareness are puzzled by their negative outcomes or blame others exclusively. Another important aspect of self-awareness is that it's a critical quality for leaders. One study concluded that a high degree of self-awareness was the best predictor of success for executives. Executives that have an understanding of their weaknesses are able to build a team composed of members that fill those weaknesses. A lack of self-awareness puts a limit on your leadership abilities. And finally, self-awareness is the foundation for personal progress. Without it, any personal development efforts will be severely hampered. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of success and self-improvement. Without self-awareness, the knowledge you possess can't be applied effectively. It's necessary to understand your beliefs, habits, strengths, and weaknesses to make a personal change. Avoid assuming that you're self-aware. Give it some time and thought. Building greater self-awareness won't happen overnight, but it can be developed. You can start building your self-awareness and reaping the benefits starting today. Your next lesson gives you 10 ways to develop your self-awareness. Here's what you need to do today. Make a list of your daily habits and mark each habit as positive or negative. Then pick just one habit to work on. It can be a positive habit that you want to develop further, or you can pick a negative habit that you want to change. Make a plan for changing your chosen habit. See you in the next lesson. Remember to check the description for extra resources. And if you liked the video, consider giving us a like and leaving a comment.